Cooking on an open fire is tricky when you live in a field surrounded by Christmas trees. So here we are. We've got some cucumber with mayo, some sweet chili sauce. We've got sausages. We've got a little bit of chicken that was left over from yesterday and some peppers. It's amazing. Living the life. Nice easy meal. Baked beans on toast. Okay guys, we haven't got much in, but we've got leek, potato, onion and eggs. We have some wild garlic we're going to go and pick and add to it as well. So stay tuned. We've got some fresh garlic here. We're going to take a few of the leaves. All ready to go, just waiting for the fire. Pepper, pepper seasoning, garlic granules, and just some milk. It's off the heat, so it's nice and slowly cooking. Add some of this wild garlic. Let that simmer for a little while. The milk and the butter. And here's my friends. Okay, so tip number one. When cooking potatoes, I cut them really thin, but they're still not soft. So I've just put them on my log just to, so it doesn't burn. Giving them some time to soak in that milk. We boil the potatoes off a little bit first. Tip. So we've added a couple of eggs, just a bit more protein. Hopefully it'll taste okay. I'll let you know. So that's pretty good actually. I will say next time boil the potatoes a little bit first. So they're a bit softer so it doesn't take so long. But yeah. So, tasted good. The only thing was, I made far too much. Now it's time to boil that kettle and make my hot water bottle ready for bed. Cup of tea. Ooh, getting chilly now. Okay guys, so it's very windy outside tonight. I'm going to do chicken with some pasta, mushrooms. I'm going to try a little garlic bread on the fire. And we've got a tin of mushrooms just to give it a little bit more flavour. So we've moved our table away from the doorway because it's very windy tonight and I don't want the gas to catch the tent on fire. So we're going to boil the pasta first, fry off the chicken. Meanwhile, we're going to make some garlic bread and put that on the fire pit. It's pretty windy out there today, but it's warm in here. Just a bit windy. Put some garlic butter in the foil. Hopefully, it will work. Add a little sea salt on top. Hopefully that will crisp it up. But who knows? Pasta's boiling. Chicken. Mushrooms are ready. Oh. Give it a good shake. and then you put it back. Sorry. Switch it back on, and the flame is then back to where it should be. So every now and again you have to kind of switch it off and give it a shake and switch it back on. So the fire pit's died down, and I'll put in the garlic bread. We're just going to let them slowly heat up, hopefully crisp up that garlic bread. So a little burnt, but so we've got mushrooms, chicken, pasta, mushroom sauce with wild garlic and a bit of homemade garlic bread. What more can you want? So, oh my god, I think that's the best meal that I've made since I've been here, and probably one of the most simplest. It was easy to make, but wow, yeah, highly recommend that one. Okay, so bacon, English bacon, which after living in Germany for 3 years is a luxury. Can't wait. Some bread and an egg. Tonight we're cooking on the gas. We've done a 12-hour shift. Got another one tomorrow. Normally I would light a fire pit, but it's not too cold tonight. Last night was freezing. So we've chopped some vegetables. Got a salad, some wraps, and on a nice new kitchen we've got some pork. Now I don't eat meat all the time. It feels so much easier, you know, to being able to prep, not having to take all my dishes down and put them on the floor. Yeah, I've got food and it's all stored away. It's so much better. This has just been a game changer. Looking good. So, okay guys, we have no gas, so tonight we are definitely cooking on the fire pit. We've got spaghetti, some mushrooms, peppers, onions, tin tomatoes, and we're going to make some garlic bread. We've chucked a huge root on top, and we're going to hopefully let that burn down enough so we can get the saucepan on it and do our spaghetti. What a beautiful evening again. I know I keep surprising you guys, but it is just gorgeous here. So peaceful, apart from the airplanes. Onion, mushrooms, we've got peppers and tomatoes, spaghetti. Peppers, we've got garlic bread, gonna have the mushrooms in a minute, and the sauce. We'll add some tin tomatoes. They're meant to be chopped, but they don't look chopped. Okay, we'll have to chop them. It says they're chopped. It says chopped tomatoes. Yeah, let's chop them up. And just let that bubble away. And we're going to get some herbs. Maybe some garlic leaves, just to add to it. Give it a bit more flavour. We're just going to let that simmer now for a little while. And then we can add the spaghetti. And that'll be it. Garlic bread. Yum yum. So we've just taken off the fire pit the pasta with the mushrooms. We've got the pasta there, so we're going to mix it together and have a beautiful meal.